Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, still working on the 2016 Subaru Legacy. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to do the overlays on the headlights and I'm going to install the tint strip. So I'm going to show you guys how it's done. I already prepped the headlights. I washed them, cleaned them with alcohol. So I put some tape here because vinyl doesn't actually stick to the tape, and then I already put the knifeless tape right here. It's kind of like, this is gonna be the shape. Also, what I did was I wrapped the inside part of the headlight just so you actually can't see the light showing through. So this is kind of what it looks like right here. Yeah, I didn't put any knifeless tape on there yet, but this one's all ready to go. All right, so I'll be installing some black 1080 3M on here. So just get yourself a piece that's big enough for the whole light, and then yeah, gotta get my glove. All right, so I cut out a piece of vinyl that's big enough to cover everything, and I'm just gonna start right here from the middle, and then I'm just gonna go to the top. And if you want to use a heat gun, you could, because it makes the film a little bit easier to work with. So you want to just slowly work it to the end and try not to get any creases. All right, just making sure. You can see my knifeless tape right there. That's what I'm trying to cover. There's like a little channel here in these lights. I'm just trying to feed it into the channel so it doesn't lift later. Go around. All right, top is done. Now we're gonna go on the bottom. And that's pretty much it. So now I got everything laid down. Now I'm just gonna trim it. When you trim it right here by the headlight and where the fender meets, just put your blade in the little groove and just kind of ride the edge, because you don't want to scratch the paint. So be very careful with that. All right, first I'm going to take off the knifeless tape. So now we're actually going to see what the eyelid is going to look like, the overlay. Yeah, we use knifeless tape so then we don't cut on the headlight, because I don't really want to be that guy that cuts on the headlight and have to change the headlight. Take the excess out. Push all this down. Make sure it's nice and sealed. Okay, and here I actually have the other black piece already installed, and it goes up to the ridge. So I'm just gonna cut it on the inside right here and have both the pieces just kind of like overlapping each other. So then we have no light coming through anywhere. All right, so that light is done. Now we're gonna do this one. I'm just gonna do a time lapse of this one. All right, it's all done. So that is how you install headlight overlays on a 2016 Subaru Legacy. Alright guys, so that was a 2016 Subaru Legacy overlay video for the headlights. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And coming up next is gonna be the plastic in the wheels. So I'm actually gonna plastic the wheels in this car black. So stay tuned for next video. I'll see you guys next time.